Need a company to trust? We're here for you at Albuquerque Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, where quality and reliability meet. From drain and sewer cleaning and refrigerated air service and installation, house to street sewer replacement lines, and high-efficiency furnaces and boilers for residential and commercial accounts. 24-hour emergency service is done. We beat our competitors' price and service, and with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our team has over 30 years' experience as a licensed, bonded, and insured team. Call for free estimates and upfront pricing.